I'd like to welcome you to HCSE. What we're going to do today is show a demo training video of one of the topics for beginners in Revit. We'll be using Revit Autodesk Revit 2 Structure 2011. One of the things you should know about us is we offer free support. If you're trained by us, then don't worry, because we offer free support for up to 6 months after training to answer any questions that you may have. Our job in giving you training is to give you the tools for success, and it's very difficult to expect for you to know everything, but no worries, because we are just a phone call away. We are very practical. We use this Revit structure pretty much on a daily basis, and we know that there's a bridge between education and practice. That is why we have an advantage over our competition. By working with us, we use Revit not with just our clients, but with other architectural engineers, and we know what exactly is important to you. What good is knowledge if it cannot be implemented in a feasible and practical way? In terms of knowledge, we have over 5 years of BIM experience, and rest assured you're in good hands. Working with you hand in hand, you'll be able to successfully implement BIM into your projects. What we'd like to do today is go over navigating the user interface in Revit. It's really one of the more important aspects of the program, because this is where essentially everything in the program exists. So the first thing we should do is talk about what you should get out of this exercise, which is pretty much know the general purpose of the ribbon framework, understand the user interface and Revit's way of thinking, feel comfortable with locating elements in each respected ribbon, and become efficient in using them. The first thing I'd like to go over is the Revit framework, which is where all the features are found. Each element, just like in CAD, may be given a shortcut. Each tab, home, insert, annotate, all contain different tools, and only one tab can be activated at a time. Home is the active tab, which is shown right now. This is by default. Spend time, we recommend just kind of familiarizing yourself with each tab and what they do and what they don't do, and spend some time surfing, familiarizing yourself with them. If you look at the down arrows on the home tab on some of these features, you'll notice that this is a category, and there's different types of categories. So under a column, for example, we have a structural column, we have an architectural column. By clicking, we essentially activate that command, which is in this case drawing a structural column. One of the other things too that we should go over is the project browser. This right here displays a logical list of all views, schedule, sheets, and families in the project. Organizing this is of utmost importance, and we definitely recommend if you need some assistance. We definitely don't overlook this, because if you have a massive project, organization can easily make or break that project. We have the status bar, which is if I hover over different elements in the project, you can notice that it's changing and telling me what exactly it is that is being highlighted. That's what we refer to as the status bar. We have the view control bar, which controls view settings like scale of the drawing, the coarse, medium, or fine. Also, if we, for example, wanted to do a wireframe of the existing drawing, you can see how that affects. Also, if you wanted to maybe take this floor element, and let's just say you wanted to look underneath and what's going on, maybe you want to do what we call a temporary hide element. And when things are temporarily hidden, there's this blue frame that forms around the model, and that's when you know that something is temporarily hidden, and you can easily click that again and reset to go back to where you were before. Also, we have the element properties. Anytime we click an element, like the floor for example, it'll bring up the type of element and give us a